Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is Butternut and Couscous Bake. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. First we prepare the butternut squash. Simply top and tail and cut in half, then using a spoon remove the fibrous bit at the bottom. If you noticed, I cut up the butternut squash and not my wife. That's simply because my wife's knife skills is a possibility she might have a few fingers missing by the end of the procedure. When this is done, put both halves on an oven-proof dish, salt and pepper and a bit of oil, and then off to 180°C oven for 45 minutes. To put the record straight, her knife skills might be appalling, but she's the best thing that ever happened to me. When the 45 minutes are up, remove from the oven, check it's cooked all the way through by piercing with a knife, and allow to cool. Next we prepare the couscous. Simply put the couscous in a bowl, pour over the stock, stir in and allow to stand. Simple as that. When the butternut squash is cooled enough, use a spoon and spoon out the flesh into a suitably sized bowl. Then you can use a fork to break up any large pieces you have. When I said my wife was the best thing that ever happened to me, even my sister and mother agree, so it's got to be true. Next we chop the garlic and tomatoes and add to the bowl. Next we add the sweet corn, followed by the drained black beans. Then it's time to add the chopped coriander and pre-soaked couscous and only half of the grated cheese. Then give all the ingredients a good mix through. Then when this is thoroughly mixed together, it's off to a suitably sized oven-proof dish. As it's only me and my wife at home at the moment, we're making 2 individual ones. But you can make 2 individual ones or 1 large one, it's up to you. Whether you decide to use 1 or 2 oven-proof dishes, sprinkle the rest of the cheese over the mixture, then it's off to a preheated 200°C oven for 40 minutes. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Stay safe and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.